welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be making a veggie burger. This veggie burger will have sweet potato and black beans as its base, but over the next several weeks, over the course of the summer, I will be making various different kinds of veggie burgers because it's summer and I can't eat meat. So I do recommend that you tune in to the burger series, but before you start this video, I recommend that you check the description down below just to make sure that you have all the ingredients that you need and the baking supplies. But without further ado, let's get on with the video. Check the ingredients list in the description down below. With your 2 medium sweet potatoes, cover with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, wrap them in parchment paper, and then wrap them in aluminum foil, baking for 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a small pot, put half a cup of dry quinoa with 1 cup of water, bring to a boil. Once the quinoa has boiled, reduce the heat to low and place lid on top. Cook quinoa for 12 to 15 minutes until quinoa is fluffy, then remove from heat. Strain and rinse your black beans from the can, setting them aside in a bowl. Unwrap sweet potatoes and slice into the bowl that has the black beans. Mash sweet potato and black beans together until they become a chunky paste. The sweet potatoes will be easier to mash than the black beans. Mix the spices with 2 teaspoons of cumin, 3 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Add your seasonings to your potato and bean mix and then mix well. Stir in your cooked quinoa. Mix well. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and form 8 patties, approximately 1/3 cup for each. When patties are prepared, cook in preheated oven of 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can take them out and flip them. Then you're going to put them back in the oven for an additional 20 minutes until they are crispy. Serve and enjoy. You can also store these burgers in the freezer. Just wait until they're cooled, wrap them in wax paper, and then put them in a reusable freezer bag. They can be stored in the freezer to up to 1 month, as long as there's no air in the freezer bag. But when you take them out individually to cook, you can just pan fry them with some oil. I hope you enjoyed part 1 of my burger series, and I hope you tune in in the next couple weeks for the other videos as well. But if you have any questions, comments, just leave them down in the comment section down below, or if there's anything else other than burgers that you'd like me to make, just leave them down there as well. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this. If you could give it a big thumbs up, that would be great. Otherwise, let me know what I'm doing wrong. I need to learn. But I hope you have a wonderful day and stay safe. For more vegan recipes, you can actually follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is right there. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.